My man, you're always first. I love it. Good morning. Good morning. My Streamlabs was updating and it took forever. Anyways, so we got some PPI data today. So that drops in about 5 minutes. So we're not going to look for any stocks quite yet. Instead, we're just going to talk about the overall market. Hey, Rockville, my man. We're going to talk about the overall market, what I'm seeing. Yesterday, obviously, it got clapped. Unfortunately, I did not participate in the huge drop, which gave me a little bit of FOMO, but you know, it is what it is. It's a new day. I've been killing it these last few weeks, so I'm not too pressed about it, but yeah, it would have been nice if I could have caught that drop, but not going to pay attention to that too much. Again, today is a new day. I did end up taking that tick play that we talked about yesterday. It worked like a charm. Caught the nice little pump right in the morning, got right out. So that's right here. Opened up, we kind of sat around this area, and then you can see QQQ pumped. We opened up at 301.75 all the way up to 303. That's really all you need. Now, I didn't go too heavy on this because it is a higher risk trade, and we did have a huge gap down, but we did get that nice little pump, and then eventually we just sat here in this range until it hit zero at 950, which was right here. And then what happened at 950? That is exactly when we started to sell off for the day. So, yeah, that's that tick for you. And then tried a 400 bounce on SPY. Didn't do too hot on that. Pretty much a break-even trade. But new day, we here. Let's find some trades and let's run it up. So, like I said, we got PPI data dropping in 4 minutes. So if you guys could, before the PPI data drops, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 150 people up in here and only 46 likes. Remember, if you guys do want to watch this today, you got to run it up to 150 likes. Now let me get live for everybody on TikTok. And I do want to make it known to everybody that I am wearing my best friend sweatshirt today. So keep that in mind. Best friend sweatshirt. Who would you say that is? Obviously, I support my man, but he always hating on me. There we go. Going live for everybody on TikTok. Good morning. But yeah, so a couple things, just looking at market structure. We do have a bull flag on Dixie. I am long. I will cut it if PPI makes this thing start dropping below that 4-hour 21 EMA. NASDAQ, we're kind of bear flagging, but at the same time, we're also sitting on this little support. So it's kind of like a little bear flag support area. We'll see if we end up cracking below there. Meta ended up breaking below 52-week lows yesterday, making a new low. And then let's see, how is the S&P looking? S&P, same thing. So I want to watch the low of yesterday. If we start cracking below there, it's going to get ugly. Kramer's bullet or bearish, of course. Might as well sell my Dixie position now. Let's see. How's everybody doing on TikTok? How we doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. The YouTube creeper. Nah, my man GD. I gotta support the man, right? I don't see him supporting me. Now you guys know who the better friend is. Keep that in mind. But again, we got 200 people in here. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Wheat is kind of an inflation play. I have been looking at the commodities. Really don't see anything as of now. Maybe if we start getting like a squeeze, which has already released. Yeah, we're trading at that weekly 21 EMA, so I don't really care about it. What did I have up here? AMD. We'll just throw that up there. But yeah, we get PPI in 2 minutes, so I'm not going to look for any stocks quite yet. If you guys want, feel free to ask me any questions while we're just chilling here. 119 people on TikTok. As always, I greatly appreciate all of you guys. And in case you guys did not know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Today was 8:22 because my stuff was updating, but yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Tune in every single morning where I do make a completely free watch list for you guys. And again, real quick, before the PPI data drops, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys want to learn more about my overall trading strategy in a 450-page book. Make sure to pick that up. Name another trader on TikTok or on YouTube that wrote a book. There's not many. Anyways. Hey, there you go, Jay. Not necessarily. No, I would say this year, not necessarily. Man, we got 330 people up in here. I love it. 330 on YouTube. I think that's the most I've ever had on YouTube. Crazy. But yeah, make sure you guys stick around. We got PPI data dropping in 1 minute. We're going to see how the market reacts. Let's pull up the 5-minute on the futures. Let's see, AMD, yes. Boom, boom. Besides Kevin. Kevin's obviously a GOAT, but he's also not on TikTok. Let's see. How many seconds we got? We got 1 second. Boom, 8:30. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Good morning. My man John. Johnny boy, good morning. New viewer, welcome to the channel. Again, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. What is TikTok? You don't know what TikTok is? What? Let's see. Producer price, final demand, negative 0.1% consensus, negative 0.1%. Let's see. PPI excluding food and energy, 0.4%, consensus, 0.3%. So, now the big telltale, and I'm going to talk about this in tonight's video, is going to be those Fed rate hike futures. Those are going to be super important. I tweeted about this yesterday, why we saw the reaction we did in the market yesterday. The reason that we saw that reaction is due to what happened in the Fed futures for the end of December. So originally we were pricing in like 3.25 to roughly 4.25 on the interest rates. As that CPI came out yesterday, these December contracts for the Fed rate hike futures shifted to 4.0 to 4.75. So we're now pricing in a 1 percentage point increase, or a one percentage point higher than we originally were by the end of the year. The market does not like surprises like that. That is why we saw the sell-off yesterday. Because if you guys look at the CPI data that came out yesterday, it wasn't like, we went up 3% on inflation. It really was not that much. But it all has to do with the Fed rate hike futures. And again, I'm going to make a video about this because we were pricing in 3.25. And now it's anywhere from 4.0 to 4.75. More people are, looking in between 4.0 and 4.5. So higher probability here around, what is that? 80% roughly. I'm terrible at math, let me tell you that. Let's see, 46, 76, 77 actually. So yeah, again, we'll talk about that later. Let's let the futures digest, give it another minute, and then we'll see what happens from there. But again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. How can you get started? All sounds super interesting but confusing. Check out my YouTube channel. I have 800 videos on my YouTube channel teaching you how to trade, and I go live every single morning. So if you ever got a question, you can feel free to ask me. Let's see. Are we going to retest these lows? Come on, dollar. Break out for me, baby. Break it out. All right. So somebody just keep me updated with what the futures end up doing. If we end up tanking, we are going to look for some setups. 1 hour, 4 hour, 30. Take that chart off, put that chart on, and then we got the daily. Cool. Let's see what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. Daily. Bingo. Perfect. Yeah, that meta got nailed yesterday. Well, actually, we'll look at that. Hold up. Let's see. Start from the top of the list. I'm not familiar with the regular pivots. Let's see. Apple. I mean, what is that like? We're trading at yesterday's low. It'd be like 70 cents, so it's not terrible. I just feel like there's bigger moves that we can find in the market. Yeah, make sure, again, I see you guys talking about it in the chat. Make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon. 450 pages. Everything that I know about trading when it comes to day trading, swing trading, all the indicators on my chart, I talk about them in that book. It's like 49.49 on Amazon right now. They keep messing with the price. It's annoying. But Apple, we'll keep an eye on that. Feel like there's definitely better opportunity, but we'll see. Airbnb more than likely got smoked. Yup, don't care. AMD trading at that low. We're below yesterday's low. Broke below this low. Or a reject. Honestly, 78.92. That would be a really nice reject on AMD. No, there's no Team Bull codes for the book. Come on. I spent a year of my life writing this book, and it's $50. No, there's no discount codes. In all respect, no. Much love, though. Amazon 1 hour bear flag breakdown in the pre-market. We'll see what happens if it can crack below yesterday's low. That's where I'd be interested. Amazon. Good morning. Amazon, Clorox, don't really care about. Disney, I was looking for the long, but market got clapped. Ford, same thing, was looking for the swing. Nvidia. That's breaking below the bear flag again, trading at yesterday's low. 30.76. Honestly, I would be so interested if we could get a pump into the open, because some of these reject spots look really, really good. Nvidia. Faxo. Oh yeah, QQQ reject 296. That'd be nasty. Or break below yesterday's low. QQQ. Tesla. Whoops. Tesla already broke my level. Or a level that I would like to see. It's still holding those moving averages, though, on the 4 hour. But Tesla, I don't really care about. And then let's pull up the squeeze list. A couple 30-minute squeezes, that's it. So Amazon, I didn't even see it was squeezing. Yeah, it is. All right, so we looked at Apple, AMD, Amazon, Boeing. Hey, you paid for the 3-month. Let's go. Of the trades you've been taking with us. That's what I like to hear. Whoa, Boeing got smacked yesterday. I didn't even see that. Coin don't care about. Costco don't care about. Google. 30-minute squeeze. Trading at yesterday's low. Again, a reject at 106 would be fantastic for Google. But if we break below yesterday's low, I'll also be interested in that. You can make the book cost from 5 minutes of Brandon's TikTok. Just saying. I love it. Johnny boy, we will not get a Black Swan event until the US dollar is trading at 115. 115 is the level. We're at like 110. So we got quite a way to go. I would say like 114 to 115. Somewhere in that area. But yeah. That's what I would watch. Microsoft. Let's see. Yeah, the amount of money I spent to even get that book printed, and the fact that I make like no money off of selling it on Amazon. Let me tell you. Amazon takes a fat cut of that book. But I didn't write it for the money. I wrote it to educate you guys. Obviously, like, money is... I get paid a little bit from it. So it's not like I went in with the intention of not making any money off of it, but the money wasn't important, if that makes sense. Let's see. Microsoft pretty much double bottomed at that yearly low. Again, I would really, really love a reject if we can get up there. Microsoft. Nvidia, where do you looked at? PayPal, I don't care about. QQQ, hold up. Oh, PayPal is in the 4-hour squeeze. Never mind. Roku, 30-minute squeeze. Shopify, 30-minute squeeze. Shopify, I don't really care about. SPY. Again, a reject or a break below yesterday's low. SPY and QQQ, those are my favorite today. So, SPY. Let me just tell everybody what I'm watching. SPY and QQQ. Both. Hold on. Interested in both below yesterday's low or a reject at the 1 hour 21 EMA. Whoops. We'll be using Uncle's Levels. Again, if you guys are joining the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Let's see how we doing. All right, we're making our way up. So, like I said, those 1 hour 21 EMAs, both SPY and QQQ, they look really good for a reject. Those are going to be, yeah, and that's literally pre-market high too. So that just makes it so much higher probability that we'll reject there. So for SPY, I'm going to be watching 396 for a reject. And then QQQ is going to be 296.14. Like 296, actually, yeah, 296 would be the level. So reject for SPY is 396. QQQ 296. Bingo. So there's SPY and QQQ. Again, those are my favorite today. Then let's narrow the list even more. Let's go to Apple. Again, Apple, I mean, it's got a nice setup. It's just not my favorite, I would say. So we'll come back to Apple. Somebody said AMD was taken off. What do you mean it's taken off? Let's see, Amazon breaking that 1 hour bear flag. 126.28 doesn't look too bad. Broke below that trend line yesterday. Got a hole in the wall, gap down. We would need Amazon to start falling below this bear flag though, or else it's going to invalidate. Is your screen shouldn't be blurry. Let's see. Amazon, like. Apple, don't really care about. Nvidia. Same thing with Nvidia. If we could clap that 134.93. Very interested. This is the yearly low. Previous low. Okay, so we set a new low on Nvidia. 130.90 or 130.75 or 134.94. Okay, so like Nvidia, we talked about QQQ, Google. Same thing with Google. I would really love a reject. You gotta pay attention to the put to call at the open. If it's still over 1, then we'll reconsider what I'm looking for. Actually, Google hit that support. 104.08. It's sitting at that support. So, I mean, it could bounce here. But I'm still interested in that reject. 106.13. Google, Microsoft. Trade 1 contract if you're a small account. Yep, we dumb broke that. All right. Let's do Amazon and Nvidia. I think those are my favorites for rejects. Again, before I start making these levels, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. So if you guys want to learn more about my day trading and swing trading strategy and how I go about finding swing trades and day trades, make sure you guys check that out. Anyways, let's put Nvidia out. Boom. They were already released, 8:30. $134.93. Cool. 134.93. Let's look. No, it's got a lot more room, 380. And remember, we're in a weekly squeeze for SPY and QQQ. The last time we squeezed on SPY was way back here. And we ran 302 to 338 before COVID. I also think SPY was squeezing on the monthly. Yep. So even during COVID, we had a monthly squeeze that fired up on SPY. That was the reaction that we saw. Same thing over here. Monthly squeeze on SPY. What happened? Boom. So we are in a weekly squeeze while below the ATRs now and the moving averages. We're trading below the weekly 21, which is key. So the odds of this weekly squeeze firing down and us possibly seeing 352, that could happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen this year. It's possible. It's higher than us going up here. So I would just keep that one on your radar. But no, as far as the daily ATR, we still have more room. Again, I'm very interested if we reject. Those are my favorite setups today. But let's go back to Nvidia. So break below 130.75, which is now the new yearly low. Where's my person's pivots? Bingo. We could see 129.41. $125.61. Cool. Let's get Nvidia. Thank you, Mike. All right. Nvidia making new yearly lows, looking for either a break below 130.75 for puts, price target equal 129.41, 125.61. I would prefer a reject at 134.93 for puts. Who's at me in the Discord chat? Who wants me? Watch USD JP War shorts. Cool. All right, so there is Nvidia, Amazon. Man, we got a decent amount of people in the live stream today, 282. And we're way above our like goal. Hell yeah. Cool. Amazon, same thing, bear flag. Honestly, would prefer to just see Amazon break down. We can watch a reject, same level, 1 hour, 21 EMA. If we fall below there, 123.03 is not out of the question. And then let's see, where's our SMAs at? Yeah, we got some room on Amazon. We got some room. Oh, we got the quarterly. And 25.29. Bingo. All right, Amazon it is. It's hard to tell, to be honest with you. I would really like to see rejects. Like, that's personally what I would like the most today. If we don't get in, we just sell off. I'll look for puts. Or if we pump, I'll just change the plan. It's that simple. But as of now, everything's looking a little weak. I'm not gonna say a little weak, actually. It's looking very weak. But we did have a huge sell-off yesterday. We could bounce, but I'll be straight up honest with you. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I'll just let you know what I'm liking, and then if these setups validate, they validate, and we take the trades. If they don't, well, I simply just get up and walk away. Market will be open tomorrow. Market will be open on Friday. Amazon. 1 hour bear flag. Looking for the break below 126.28 for puts. Price target equal 125.29, 123. 30-minute squeeze as well. And then the only other thing I really liked was that Google reject. That's if we trade up to that level, though. At 104.08, I mean, that's a huge level of support. 1, 2, 3. So, I mean, we could... Or 104.06, whatever it is. 104.06. There we go. Oh, I'll trust Jadon's reject level more than mine. But I just like how it's the pre-market high plus the 1 hour 21. There you go. Mental Game of Trading. One of the best trading books, hands down. If you guys are struggling with trading psychology, go buy that book. Let's see. All right, we'll maybe Google a little closer to market open. I'll see. But as of now, SPY reject, QQQ reject, and then what was the other one? Nvidia and Amazon are the ones that I like. Nvidia, Amazon. Cool. So that's what I'm watching. Where are my levels? There they are. So yeah, real quick, before I drop the watch list in the chat, again, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to get yourself a copy, learn more about my overall trading strategy, make sure to check it out. And then, how many likes we got today? Where we go with it? 200 likes. I appreciate you guys. All right, I will drop the watch list for you. So, SPY and QQQ. Again, interested both ways. If the market ends up pumping, I'll look for intraday setups to the upside. But ideally, would like to see rejects at that 296, 396 level. Then Nvidia. And Amazon. Again, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So trade safe, trade smart. And remember, I am not responsible for any lost funds. The mental game of trading is what it's called. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be watching for the day. Everybody take it easy. Let's run it up. If you guys are not in Team Bull, make sure to join if you want to trade live with me. If you guys want anything that has to do with me, my affiliate links for TTM Squeeze, Bookmap, Interactive Brokers, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, join the Discord, whatever it is. Link is right there. Boom. But yeah, again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning and do this, basically go over what I'm seeing in the market, give you guys a completely free watch list. So if you guys are not subscribed, you guys are missing out. Other than that, everybody take it easy. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time.